Hey people, Demon here, and here are 4 new subs from Subway. Now, I forgot their name, but they will be in the description, so go look at it. Obviously, these are all 6 inches, but let's try them all and see what it tastes like. And they all have cucumber. I will probably end up removing that because I do not like cucumber. Okay. Cucumber ruins it, but it's okay. Okay. I can mostly taste just vegetables on that one. Is cucumber a vegetable? I don't know. Anyways, let's move on. That one's okay. Last one. Meat in there, right there. I think that's a club. This one's got cheese. Got some meat right there. Let's see. No meat on the top. This one. Most of the meat's on the top. It's beef. And this one, meat right there. Meat right there. I'll be right back after I'm finished. Just remind you to subscribe, hit that bell, like, comment, share this video, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok down below. So, as you can see, I'm finished, and I gotta say, it was okay. Wasn't the best, wasn't the worst, it was just okay. Filling, I feel a little bit fat, but whatever. But it was just okay. The one on this side, by the way, was the best one. And then the last one was okay. The middle two were fine, but not the best. Just in general, it was just okay. It wasn't nothing like special. It wasn't like, oh my goodness, I gotta go buy this again. I did take out all this stuff because it just ruined it. But besides that, it was just okay. It wasn't horrible, wasn't great, wasn't anything special. Just okay. So I think the best one was the club, but I could be mistaken. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Hit that bell notification. The best way to keep my channel. Link down below to my Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. And as always, friends, stay sane. Peace. Just remind you to subscribe, hit that bell, like, comment, and share this video. Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok down below. Shadow, my baby, I love you so much. You're my baby. And you love to sleep in the bathtub. 'Cause you're a weirdo. Shadow, look over here, buddy. Look over here.